Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. I'm Yasir Amin, working at Hamid Rashid Institute of Science and Technology, Multan. I'm working here as manager accounts. To have a series of lecture on the subject financial management, I'm going to deliver my first lecture, and I would like to start from the word finance. Finance is the management of large amounts of money, especially by governments or large companies. The origin of the word finance is Old French language, and the original word is finer, which means to make an end or to settle a debt. The original sense was payment of a debt, compensation or ransom. In later ages, this word was used for taxation and revenue, and in current ages, starting from the 18th century, it reflects the sense of development. Finance encompasses activities associated with banking, leverage, credit, capital markets, money and investments. Basically, finance represents money management and the process of acquiring needed funds. It also encompasses the oversight, creation and study of money, banking, credit, investments, asset and liabilities that make up whole financial system. Now we discuss the types of finance. There are three types of finance. First one is the personal finance, second one is the corporate finance, and third one is the public finance. Personal finance is the finance of everyone, is the pocket finance, is the wallet finance. Financial planning involves analyzing the current financial position of individuals to formulate strategy for future needs within financial constraints. Personal finance is specific to every individual situation and activity. Therefore, financial strategies depend largely on the person's earnings, living requirements, goals, and desires. Individuals must save for after retirement period, which requires saving or investing enough money during their working lives to fund their long-term plans. This type of financial management decisions fall under personal finance. Personal finance also includes the purchasing of financial products such as credit cards, insurance, mortgages, and various types of investments. Banking is also considered a component of personal finance, since individuals use checking and saving accounts and online payments such as EasyPaisa, JazzCash, and UBank. Second type of finance is corporate finance. It's the broader horizon of microfinance, and it's a broader horizon of public finance. It's a broader horizon of personal finance. All the parameters, guidelines, rules, regulation of personal finance are applicable to corporate finance. In corporate finance, I would like to hear a practical example, like if me is going to a bank to negotiate a car for my personal use, that is a personal finance. If me is a finance manager of any company and going to negotiate with the bank a fleet of cars for the personnel, that is a corporate finance. Second, if me is negotiating with the insurance company for my own life insurance coverage, that is a personal finance. If me is negotiating with an insurance company to purchase a group insurance for the employee of a company, that is a corporate finance. So corporate finance is the division of finance that deals with how corporations deal with funding sources, capital structuring, and investment decisions. Corporate finance is primarily concerned with maximizing shareholder value through long and short-term financial planning and the implementation of various strategies. Corporate finance activities range from capital investment decision to investment banking. Examples if a large company may have to decide whether to raise additional funds through a bond issue or a stock offering, and that company takes in consultancy from an investment bank, that all activity come under the area of corporate finance. Similarly, startup ventures are the newborn businesses receive capital from from the investors, and in exchange for a percentage of ownership, and if that company got the success and decide to go public, it will issue shares on stock exchange through an initial public offering to raise cash. That is also a corporate finance. In other areas, like a company might have to budget its capital and decide which products to finance and which products to be put on hold in order to grow the overall business. That is the activity of corporate finance. Public finance includes tax, government spending, budgeting, and debt issuance policies that affect how a government pays for the services it provides to the public. पब्लिक को प्रोवाइड की जाने वाली सर्विसेज में मेनली डिफेंस है, पॉलिसिंग है, हेल्थ है, एजुकेशन है एंड इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर है. There are three main activities that are performed by the governments in the area of public finance. First one is the allocation of funds, distribution of income, and economic stability. All these functions are performed by the government by money market operations, by the watchdogs, or by the government functionaries to have this arrangements in place. Regular funding is also secured mostly through taxation. Taxation is the first area from which the payments are made to the government employees and the corporations for the development expenditure, to meet the defense requirement, to meet the policing, to meet the education and the other services that are provided to the public. If that area is not sufficient to meet the requirement, other areas are the borrowing from the banks, insurance companies, and other nations. Also the international donor agencies to help to finance government spending. Third one is the social well-being of tax-paying citizens. In addition to managing money in day-to-day operation, a government body also has social and fiscal responsibilities. A government is expected to ensure adequate social programs for its tax-paying citizens to maintain a stable economy so that the people feel themselves safe and secure and get enterprise to make further investment in the country. Thank you very much.